Hey, what's happening, people? How y'all doing? Okay, so I am somewhere in London, in the streets of London. Okay, so I want to just surprise my wife and visit her in her office. Okay, so I think she knows that I'm around, or I'm coming around, but she doesn't know I'm coming to her office. Look at her. She hasn't seen me yet. Good, I'm here behind her.
This is very awkward. Why?
What's wrong with you?
I'm shy. Why did you do this?
You look nice.
Thank you.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to our channel.
I go by the name Ayo.
And I go by the name Ope.
And together we are called
Ayo.
Welcome back to our channel, guys. How y'all doing?
Hope you're good.
Hope you're well. Okay. If you're new to the channel, where have you been? Okay, where have you been? We have been doing this for the last 7 years, all right? But as they say, better late than never.
Yes.
Okay, so we are Ayo and Ope, marriage and relationship coaches, certified marriage and relationship coaches, and we just come on here to share about our marriage experience. Okay, we do a little bit of teaching, a little bit of coaching to help you on your journey in your relationship, in your marriage, as well as your singleness. Okay. So whatever your status, there's something for you to learn on this platform. All right. So why are you wasting time? Subscribe. Okay. So like this video and subscribe to our channel, because this channel will bless you. To our day ones, we see you as well.
We salute you.
We salute you.
We appreciate you.
By the way, we've been married for 10 years, in case you didn't know. All right.
This 10 years is really shocking us. Like someone even said to me, like, what's the big, it's 10 years like a big deal. It was Mickey. I said, don't worry, wait till you get there. I feel
like you've been looking forward to 10 years since even the first year of marriage.
Yeah, because
let me
tell you why I was looking forward to 10 years, because I told Ayo for my 10-year anniversary, I want us to do a big vow renewal. We should go abroad. You don't remember?
Okay. We're going to go abroad.
But we're not going to do the big vow renewal, because I wanted it to, originally, don't you remember, baby? I wanted everyone from our wedding to be there. Everyone.
It was one of those fantasies.
It was one of those fantasies.
So maybe we'll think about it for our 25th anniversary.
25th. I was even thinking 15.
15th is not a milestone like that.
Maybe. Every year's a milestone, you know.
Amen. Every year is a milestone. So. Okay, so what are we doing today? What are we here today?
Today, first of all, can we just appreciate God's goodness for this weather?
Absolutely.
Like, this is September in the UK.
And we have, well, to be honest, I think this is the last week of summer. But we're still grateful for that, isn't it?
And it's nice, it's breezy, it's just good vibes. Thank you, Jesus, for the different seasons.
And, you know, we always try to come out, isn't it? And shoot out, you know, when we're in the summer.
Yeah.
So for our day ones, you know that we always at least try to get one or two videos out here. All right. So
let's get on to the matter of today.
Let's dive into what we have today. Okay, we're starting a new series.
You know we love a good series. Don't leave me hanging, baby. We do love a good series. I think we like to dissect.
So that we can dissect and really dive into things. So hopefully you enjoyed the last series where we talked about Love is Blind. Okay, if you've not checked that out, go out and binge watch that series. Okay, but we're starting a new series today titled The Little Things. Okay, The Little Things. And what we want to drive from this series is that it is always in the little things.
It is.
And that the little things matter. In fact, the little things almost matter more than the big things.
Come on. Do you remember, maybe you won't remember her because she was like a Black American soul singer. Her name is India Arie.
Oh yeah.
She had a song called Little Things.
Okay.
And the song lyric that I just remembered is, it's the little things and the joy they bring.
It's the little things and the joy they bring.
Yeah.
Okay? So, and in this first sort of cohort of this Little Things series, we're going to be talking about... Okay.
That's how you know that you are a trainer. That's how I know that you train people.
In this first video, or in this first part of the series, right, we want to talk about the little acts of love.
The little acts of love.
The little acts of love, okay? And yeah, I don't know where we want to start from, but many things inspired this video.
Yes, let's start from the story. What happened?
Good. So let us start from the story.
The story, yeah, the story starts from 10 years ago, 11 years ago. Yes, I remember that call that we had 11 years ago. Me and I were talking. You know when you're talking in the beginning, the dating stage, sometimes you just miss out. You just say things. You don't know that they will affect you. They will affect you in the future, because this affected me in the future. So I think I said to Ayo, no, not I think, I know I said to Ayo, I was like, please don't ever get me flowers. I don't like flowers. I don't think there's any point of flowers. And teddy bears, what's the point? I mean, they're nice to look at when you're 5 years old, but an adult with teddy bear? Why? Guys, that was nearly 12 years ago.
That was like 13 years ago.
Guys.
12 years ago. So, okay.
Guys.
So.
You're laughing because it's true. I said it.
Mary literally gave me instructions. Like, she said, I'm not that type of flower girl.
I just did talk.
You know when, you're meeting someone and they're like, you're telling them your likes and dislikes. And I had never done any, sort of really romantic things in the past before, right? Because I was not necessarily in, serious relationships. Okay, so I was really looking forward to doing all of those things, like the buying of the teddy bears and buying of flowers. However,
you got the wrong girl.
Exactly, because she literally said, forget, don't waste your money. I'd rather buy me food.
No, that's rude. But I did like food. I was like, food.
So but you did say, I'd rather go out to eat, whatever.
Choose.
Your hand and pick something. Anyway, fast forward 12 years after, things may have changed a little bit.
No, fast forward 12 years after, and Ayo really nobody should do oath with you, because you really stick to that word. You really stick to that word, guys.
I really stuck to it, because in 12 years of our relationship and 10 years of marriage, I never bought her any flowers.
Not one. Not even
she gave me instructions. And it just shows that I'm a good student, right?
Not even flower bomb. Victor Ralph.
I did buy you flower bomb.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. So
I decided, as a good student, I'm not going to, buy anything that she doesn't really want, okay? So fast forward to a couple weeks ago now, it was actually my pastor, right? Our pastor, that gave that inspiration, because he gave a story about how he bought flowers for his wife. And then I thought to myself, let me just surprise this woman of God with some flowers, okay? And so I decided to go to her office, and I bought her flowers, and then I bought her favorite chocolate as well.
So the food was still there.
So food had to be involved. So at least even if she didn't like the flowers, she would like the chocolate, isn't it? So we'll show you guys a few of these clips. Hopefully we're showing you some now. And, I think for me, it was the joy of that afterwards. And I'll let you share how you felt, right? So first of all, it was a surprise, because she wasn't expecting me to come. And then obviously wasn't expecting me to come with flowers and chocolate, Ferrero Rocher, okay? And I presented it to her. Again, not much packaging, but literally you could see the surprise on her face.
I was shocked. I was like...
She was happy.
I was so happy, because I was like, wow, you actually listened. For some reason, I didn't expect you to listen. And I think sometimes we do ourselves a disservice as in relationships, like we say stuff, but we don't expect it to change. So I'll drop, baby, like you never bought me flowers before.
Some hints,
I dropped you some hints, but in my heart, I didn't expect you to do it. I was just bantering with you, like... And I didn't expect him. Yeah. So when you came, and I came downstairs from work, and I was like, what is this? And guys, everyone was looking at me. Everyone was like, oh. I said, you guys, now 10 years, we've been in this for a long time.
For 10 years. So even when I presented the flowers, or when I was waiting outside, because I was literally downstairs waiting for I waited for like 20 minutes. You have to be patient in this life.
You have to be patient.
So I waited, because
I almost wasn't going to come. I was going to say, baby, just go and get the children.
Yeah, because we needed to rush home as well. So I was downstairs, watching the time, waiting for her to come down.
And you don't like me being late as well. So you must have had to hold yourself as well.
I was literally holding myself. As you can see, I was saying it in the video, like, Kwem is really taking time. But, finally she came, and then I presented the stuff, isn't it? And, beautiful day. Beautiful moment.
Were people looking at you like, what's
so
this
what
guy?
I wanted to say was, there was one guy that was walking past, and he's like, all the best, mate, all the best. Well done, mate, all the best. And then I'm thinking...
So you thought you were going to propose?
Yeah, he probably thought I was going to propose or something. I'm like, no. This is my woman or wife of 10 years.
My woman, my everything. No, so when you came, baby, I was really like, I felt, I was a bit shy. I don't know why I was shy. Is this how you people who receive flowers feel? I was like, oh my God.
You were really...
But it was really nice.
You literally wanted to enter the ground.
Yeah, it was really nice.
Like,
it was a good thought.
Everybody's looking at me.
And it wasn't a big deal, but it was just... I don't want to say just flowers, but it was just flowers.
It was actually just flowers. Again, bro, I literally spent £20 on the flowers and the chocolate.
Yeah.
Right? And it was the little things.
The little things.
And, obviously we then had the journey back home where we were just
talking gisting, laughing.
About the old times where we were reminiscing about the old times where we'd usually meet up in London and then, go home together. So again, what we're saying here is, it is in the little things.
It is.
Right? In the little acts of love. Okay. So this was me, and she mentioned it on that day that, that her love tank was full.
Yes.
Right? Just by visiting her in the office and, surprising her with the flowers and with the chocolates, right?
And it's so funny because I remember when we got home, it was all units go from there. Actually, we had to get the children, then put them to sleep. No, do homework, put them to sleep, food. So we actually didn't even get time together after. But because we had that journey home together, it was like 45 minutes, 1 hour of it was just us. I wasn't really stressed because I was like, I've got what I need from you. We've had our conversation, and if your children want to pull me left, right, and center, I don't care because I've already received what I want to receive from your father.
From the man, okay. And so what we're saying is that obviously a lot of the time we're thinking about the big things. Yeah. Right? But the
book a holiday,
exactly.
Buy a car, buy shoes, but it doesn't have to be.
It actually doesn't have to be because the little things compound, right? The little things compound, and it's almost like a savings account.
It is.
So a lot of the time, you want to save big chunks of money, right? And sometimes you may never get to save the big chunks of money if you're not able to start with the little. But the thing is that if I'm trying to save £10,000 and I save £100 every month, okay?
Rather than
in 8 or 9 years, I would save £10,000.
Yeah, very true.
But if you're waiting, to save £5,000 or to have £5,000 before you put it into savings, you might be waiting for a long time and you might actually never save. All right. So what we're saying is that in those little things, the little moments, right? Little gifts, very important. That is where you actually fulfill and fill your partner's love tank. Yeah. Right?
And it could be even the little compliments.
Thank you.
Like even taking this, I remember it's not about you, but it's about me. Do you remember I told you when I was at the gym and some girl randomly came up to me and she was like, I see you in here all the time. Well done. Keep up. Even me that wanted to flop, I was like, because this girl was seeing me, I was like, oh, it actually gingered me.
Gingered you.
Do you get what I mean? Because I was like, it actually gingered me.
Exactly. So it's in the little words of encouragement, right? In the little compliments that you pay your spouse, right? Well done. Thank you. It's in the text messages, the good morning text messages, isn't it? And
it doesn't just have to be from man to, because people feel like when it's about paying compliments, it has to be my man has to pay me a compliment. Little spit. When Ayo gets his hair done, when you go and get your beard done, and all, like you get your hair done, I'm like, oh, I love your haircut.
Exactly.
And if I don't say it, this guy will remind, You don't like my haircut?
Exactly. So it is very important for me because I am looking forward to those compliments. I'm actually looking forward to have words of affirmation.
Yeah.
Right. And I remember I think there was a time you were doing something very religiously. What you were doing was you were sending me prayers every day. You know, you were praying for me every morning. And I think you stopped for a few weeks now. You need to continue.
I need to continue. That's a reminder to me.
And for me, that was such a big deal. I remember, I was actually saying thank you so much for these prayers. So every morning she would send me some prayers. She literally blessed me via text because we would have gone to work or whatnot. Or she would have gone to work. And then I read the message I'm praying for you, favor today, all of this. So it was in those little things, but I was looking forward to those text messages, those prayers every day because they actually lifted my soul, lifted my spirit, and gave me the energy for the day. Okay. And as we are doing these things, we are pouring into each other.
Yeah.
Right. How do they say it? Little drops form a mighty ocean.
Yes, very true. Very true.
Little drops form a mighty ocean. Even the Bible says, do not despise little beginnings.
Yeah.
Right.
So that means, that is to say, starting small does not mean starting rubbish. Like, just because you're doing it small doesn't mean it doesn't mean something, doesn't mean it's not worth something.
Exactly. Let me say something, right? So a lot of the time we don't appreciate the small things because we believe that they are small, right? So what is the biggest gift I've gotten for you now?
My car for my birthday.
Your car? Okay, I won't tell you forget. So the biggest gift I've ever bought up with me is a car. Okay, the video is there if you've not seen it. Viral video. It wasn't viral, but so I bought up me a car, and obviously that cost me a lot of money. A few thousands, a couple thousands, right? So it cost me a lot of money, but that was the most expensive gift. But would you say that was the best gift?
No.
Do you understand?
No.
So there's a lot of other smaller gifts and smaller things that I have done that she has appreciated more than the thousands I spent on the car.
Can I tell you one gift that you bought me that I appreciated?
Yeah.
Ayo went online and bought me like these wig bags. Do you remember?
I remember.
Like
you see, all the things we forget because we don't even announce.
5-pack of wig bags. Because basically, the problem I was having is that I was just putting my wigs all in one place, and then by the time they come out,
sorry, you just expose yourself that you wear wigs.
Oh. But this is my real hair, though. This is my real hair. So what he did, so basically each time I'd open my wig and I'll have the stress of having to restyle it because I'd messed it up.
Rough, yeah.
Then he came in one day and he was like, I got you this. Baby, that's one of the most thoughtful gifts that you've ever bought me.
Yeah, because you kept thanking me for that every day for like 1 week. You're like, thank you so much for this, baby. It's actually so handy.
Exactly.
Because she did not think of it by herself.
Honestly.
She did not give me a hint or prompt me to go and buy it. Right? But how much was this? I think it was like £40.
Like compared to a car. Exactly.
Tens of thousands, right? Or compared to the shoes and all of these things that I bought. So it is in the little things, and we need to learn to appreciate the little things. Because if you can appreciate the little things, guess what? You will then not only have the big things, but you then be able to appreciate the big things as well. Because it's the same Bible that also says that if you are faithful with the little, right, then you'll be faithful with much. Now, the reason why a lot of us are not getting much or getting the big things
the little
is because we are not faithful with the little.
Yeah. We despise the little.
We despise the little.
Look at him. To see, my friends are buying car. He's buying me.
Exactly.
He's buying me something.
So I can just imagine that girlfriend that is saying, are these not other guys? Is this not what other guys are doing for their girls? Are these not your mates? Right, because this guy has bought a car. This guy has sent his girlfriend or wife to Dubai. This guy has done those things. Well, if you don't appreciate those little moments, those little things, because those little things actually make a big difference.
Yes.
As I said, it compounds. It compounds. What would you prefer? Would you prefer that I spent 5 hours on the phone with you, right? Every day for 1 week. Or I spent 5 minutes on the phone with you every day for 1 year? No,
About 5 minutes for 1 year.
Yeah, because 5 minutes
get
for
more
1
of
year,
you, yeah.
get more of me. You get me every
Yeah,
day, and it
yeah.
actually compounds because we are speaking every day.
Yeah.
So, whilst 5 hours is good, right? It is very temporary, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't have the effect of 5 minutes for a whole year.
Long term.
Okay, so what we're saying is that marriage is a marathon. Marriage is not a sprint. So where we're going is far. So you might be doing it little now, but because you're going so far, you're going to get to the big. You're going to go through the seasons of little, seasons of great, right? It is important to appreciate those little moments.
Yeah.
It is important to take advantage
of those moments as well.
Of the little, okay? And
very
also
true.
do the little. So don't say, because I can't do the big things, right, then I'm not going to do anything at all. What you're failing to do there is that you're failing to actually speak love. You're failing to love on your spouse. You're failing to love on your partner.
Yeah.
Right? So the little things, the little chocolates, the little pen and paper, the little flowers,
the little love notes,
okay, is what you should aim to do.
Have I written you a love note? I've written you a love note.
I've written you many love notes.
You have actually. You have. No, I need to write you a love note. It's because you don't do packed lunch. Because I used to, for the girls, when they have packed lunch, I write little love notes.
Yeah, you actually do that.
Yeah.
And that's something.
And it makes them feel special.
Thank you.
Because I was like, how do you? She's like, oh, I'm so happy when I see it. All I write in there is, you are beautiful. We love you. You are special. Blah, blah, blah. And then they're like, oh, we love it. And all their friends are looking as well.
Exactly. So these little love notes, again, we call these things little.
But they're big.
They're so big.
They're so
because
big.
Maya is always looking forward to it. Like even the other day, I did not see there's no pack lunch.
Yeah.
Which means I'm not going to get my love.
Yeah, that's true.
So she's looking forward to reading her love notes.
I need to get their pack lunch.
Right. And it is helping them know that they are loved.
Yes.
Right. And helping us, like, guys, it's actually in the little things.
It's the little things. And the joy they bring.
And they bring a lot of joy. Okay?
Yeah.
So we're going to close this here now. All right. We just wanted to share with you, okay, that you should obviously go and do some of those little things, okay? And hope you've learned one or two things. All right. Again, if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel, okay? Very soon we're going to be rolling out our anniversary series, okay? Something big is coming. All right, so please stay tuned.
Stay tuned, all guys. Right, we don't want you to miss out. We don't want you to miss out on your dosage of Ayo and Ope.
Exactly. So we don't want you to miss out. So subscribe and stay tuned. Okay?
Yeah.
We're going to be rolling out this very soon. So look forward to that. And look forward to the rest of the series, okay? We're going to do something for the singles, even about these little things. We're going to do something for, you know, married folk. And we're going to literally dissect more into this. So this is just part one.
Yeah.
All right. So look forward to the subsequent parts of the series. Any more for any more?
Me, I want to go and enjoy the sun.
Okay, wants to go and enjoy the sun. That's why she's rushing this video. Because me, I want to still continue. But
continue.
We have a lot to do today.
Yeah, so we have so much to do.
Close this here, okay? And let us sing our welcome song to welcome our new subscribers. All right? Fine. For the new subscribers only.
Yeah, the rest of you block your ears.
Okay. And guys, if you'd like to see more of this, because I feel like just being out in nature, I really enjoy this.
Don't let English weather disgrace us. You say see more of this, rain will fall, snow will start in October. Like, this is very weather dependent. I like this. I do like this. The only thing is, I feel like here, and I don't know if you guys notice, I get a bit distracted because you see a bird or something and you're like, oh,
I'm not distracted. I feel
nice.
Like this whole nature for me, it's even like inspiration.
Yeah.
That's why I feel like continuing.
Oh yeah, continue then. Preach it, Pastor.
So we're probably going to shoot, you know, a few more videos before we lose the summer, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Let us sing our welcome song to welcome our new subscribers. 5, 6, 7.
but glad you came. We welcome you. We hope you learn a thing or two as you join us on this journey through marriage, faith, and life.
We are glad you
came. We welcome you. We hope you learn a thing or two as you join us on this journey through marriage, faith, and life.
Marriage, faith, and life say.
Marriage, faith, and life.
Marriage, faith, and life say.
Marriage, faith, and life.
Marriage, faith, and life say.
Marriage, faith, and life.
God bless you guys. We love you.
But God loves you more.
We shall see you in the next video.
Bye.
Okay, so I am somewhere in London, in the streets of London, okay? And this is another episode of becoming a romantic husband, okay? So I want to just surprise my wife and visit her in her office, okay? So I think she knows that I'm around or I'm coming around, but she doesn't know I'm coming to her office. So I'm going to her office now, and I'm going to get thinking of taking some flowers to her with some chocolates, something romantic, okay? By the way, I've never bought her flowers, okay? But I learned this from one of my mentors, that he surprised his wife with flowers and his wife absolutely loved it. So I want to surprise my wife with flowers. Hopefully she loves it, right? So this is so important that we copy the right things, okay? We copy good things and we implement good stuff in our marriages and in our homes. So this is me just, again, following an example and also setting an example. You can surprise your wife, okay? Come on, let's go. So I've just called Ope, and she's gonna be coming down soon. Alright, I've got the flowers here and the chocolate. Okay. I don't even know how they give flowers. It's my first time giving flowers. You have to be romantic. So hopefully you can even hear me because it's a bit noisy here. So I'm gonna give her the flowers and then we're gonna go home together, like husband and wife. You get me? Even me, I'm feeling excited. Like, I'm feeling alive. So this Asian guy just walked past now and he's like, good luck, man. Like, wishing me good luck. Maybe he thinks I want to propose. Doesn't know that I proposed 11 years ago. But yeah, everybody's just looking at me weird. Let me just be talking to the camera so nobody will be looking at me. But yeah, my me is taking too much time. Maybe I should be going. Yeah, behind
This is very good. What?
What's wrong with you?
I'm shocked. Why did you do this?
You look nice.
Thank you. Oh, thank you, baby.
That's for you. I know you love Ferrero Rocher.
Oh,
And a bouquet of flowers. So,
everyone's looking at me.
so don't say I'm not romantic.
You are. Wow, this is sweet. Come give me a kiss. Thank you, baby. This is really nice.
Nice.
Wow.
Yeah, come on, let's go home. Let's go home.
Wow.
I've been waiting for you since.
Yeah, this is so cute. Oh, baby.
I'm waiting for you to do surprise.
Wow. Wow. I'm actually
Yeah, smell
sure.
the flower now.
Oh, sorry.
You've not even smelled the
Is that what
flower.
they're supposed to do when they get there now? I hope we have a vase at home.
We'll make something of it. Let the flower not die by tomorrow.
Oh, baby, this is actually cute. Nah, you're romantic.
More romantic.
You're romantic. And the thing I love about Ayo is that you actually take feedback on. Because I told him, I was like, baby, I haven't received flowers, you know.
That's because
I told you I don't like flowers.
Exactly, you don't like flowers.
Wow.
But from today henceforth,
and he even bought me chocolate.
make sure you get flowers.
Oh, baby, you're such a sweetheart. Sweetheart me. Sweetheart me. And we're actually going home together like the good old days.
Like the good old days.
It?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, baby.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Why were you acting shy?
Because I couldn't. So this is how people feel when they get flowers delivered to work.
Oh my days.
Wow.
Ọpẹ́ ló yẹ mí, ojoojúmọ́ ni